Do you want to pay less in insurance for your car and you don't know how to? I'm going to teach you step by step how you can do this. So basically, when you call the insurance company, they are going to give you a rate. They're going to say, okay, it's $100 a month or $200 or whatever is the amount, depending on your violations, the traffic violations and everything. So if you have a clean record, you don't have any tickets or anything like that, your rate should be low. But if you want it to be lower, that will be always a good thing. So if you can save some extra dollars, I'm going to tell you how you can do this. So basically, in this case, I have a Geico, but if you have a Liberty Mutual or maybe any other insurance, the process is going to be about the same. All you have to do, you call the salesman and you have to say, okay, I want to, lower my rate. What can I do? And usually they are going to give you this device. So I'm going to show you so that way you can see this device closely. So basically they are going to send you a tracker. So you have to install this tracker in your windshield and then you have to pair it with your phone and that's it. So once you do that, for instance, I have the app here that says Geico. If you have Liberty Mutual, it will be Liberty Mutual. If you have a State Farm or anything like that, any other thing, it's going to be basically the same. So basically you have the box, you have here the instructions, everything that you have to do here. If you have any questions, you can email them or send them or you can call them, and you have to open your phone and then you have to scan it, with a picture here where it says photo, put it like that. And then on the bottom, you will say, okay, open, with your browser. In this case, I'm using Opera. It's very good. So here I have the app. You just open this app and then you have it like that. You have to sign up, of course. So basically what they are looking for when you're installing this type of devices in your car, they want to know what time are you going out. So if you are, let's say, driving after 12 p.m., after 12 a.m., midnight or something like that, they're going to say, okay, 1 point less. If you drive, above the speed limit, I don't know, here in US, most of the highways are 70 miles an hour. If you're in another country, I don't know, it might be kilometers an hour, so you have to see. Also, they want to know if you're, speeding up or if you're doing a burnout with your car or anything like that. In my case, I have a huge Sprinter van, so it's kind of slow. Even if you push its pedal to the metal, it doesn't go fast. It's going to start, very slowly until it start getting some speed, and that is how it works. So basically, don't go out after midnight. Drive slowly or below the speed limit. Also, make sure that you don't speed up. You don't do burnouts with your car. That you don't start right away, or you don't pick up the speed very fast. Just push it slowly, at least the 3 or 4 months that they're going to give you this. And that's it. So that is how it works. So basically, I was reading here that you have to pair it. So if you push the button, I think a few seconds here, there we go. And then the app should pick up the device. Link to tag. Okay, so now you have to follow the instructions. Okay, now we are going to link it, push it a few seconds. There we go, confirm. There we go. Just put it on your windshield. You should be good, or behind the mirror or anything like that. So that is how it works. So now is recording drive, and that's it. So basically, they are going to know. The only downsides about this is that they're going to know exactly where you are every moment, because if you leave your house, they're going to know it. If you go fast, slow, or anything, they're going to know. They're going to know every place that you visit, when you're back at home and everything. So basically you have no privacy with this. But other than that, that is how this device works. So hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you next time.